Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something being loaned to me by Mark Parks, one of my channel members, channel subscribers. Awesome dude, thank you. Thank you, Mark. All right, today I'm opening up with my Shaman with the Rockscale Design bronze anodized scales here. It's the Lynch Northwest titanium clip and a titanium CME from OCD from EDC. This is the LMAX version right here. Just recently changed the scales on this puppy. All right, let's get into the box. What do we have here? All right, maybe something from Wii? Probably was something else, but let's see. Maybe it's just a bag that's in. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, it is. It is what I thought it was. Okay. This is the Asher knife. I believe this is the Spiro in the white twill carbon fiber. I've always wanted to check that out. Oh, that is really nice. Okay. All right then. Okay. Very good. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a flick here first. M390 blade. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. This is much nicer than the Asher that I had before. All right, I'm pretty impressed. Pretty dead nut centered. Typically, I don't know if this is true, but most Asher knives I've ever handled, they were made by petrified fish for them. Not a bad size. Look at that. But definitely have a little extra room there. Got big, giant, meaty finger hands, right? You know, so large hands with big, meaty fingers. Definitely big, large hands with extra large, maybe even double extra large, big, meaty fingers. Room there. If you have regular size, extra large hands, this regular size fingers, extra large hands. Double extra large, thin fingers, hands is about what you're going to be gripping there. A little jimping up there. It's actually functional jimping. You can go over it nicely, but you push down, you definitely get some grip. Nice, fuller, flat grind. Beautiful polished stone washed M390 blade steel. This twill carbon, now it has a wire clip. I would probably attempt to put like a Spyderco clip in there. I'm not going to do it, but I just want to see if one would fit. And I think I have one in here. I'm just going to take a look. See, do I happen to have one? I just want to see if it will fit. Oh, no, I think I've used all my Spyderco clips that I've got left. Yeah. Oh well. All right. Do I have a knife with one on it? Maybe. I just want to see what it would look like. I don't think I have one here. That's too bad. All right. Anyways, I'm kind of curious if the Spyderco wire clip would fit on this. Any of you guys who have one of these knives, let me know. Action's really nice. This is really good. This is really good. Oops. I really like that twill carbon fiber. Wow, that is really nice. I figured I might like that, but I didn't figure as much as I would like it. So it doesn't, you can see it here, but here you can see it's not, it's the way it's reflective like that. That's really cool. Action's really good. Nice sharpening choil right there. When you drop it, you have a nice little place to catch it. You know, if that was a little bit more, I mean, it technically could be a flipper, but then you probably wouldn't be able to choke up like that. But I like that it catches, so you don't have to worry about guillotine. That's really nice. This feels like it's on, Mark, is this on Skiffs? It feels like it's on Skiffs. It just feels like it. A captive pivot. It's not perfectly rounded or chamfered all the way around. It's not sharp. But the nice thing about carbon fiber, and I assume twill carbon fiber is the same. If this was my knife, I might round that just a little bit. Use a Dremel, just kind of make it a little softer. It always makes knives more comfortable. It's just a nice little touch, I think, especially with carbon fiber that you can always do. Oops. Okay. There we go. Now we can flip it. All right. Yeah. So definitely a thumb hole only, or fuller hole only, whatever you want to call it. But it does work really nicely. Like I said, dead nut centered. Okay. Reversible, right hand, left hand tip of a carry. It looks like T8s all the way around. That's nice. Black hardware. Does have a little lanyard pin in here in the back, so you definitely do that. Size-wise, it's not bad. Not bad. We'll measure and do measurements with a full review of this knife, but that's really cool. Really, really cool. I like it. The action's really stunning. This is so different than the Asher that I had. Wow. I'm assuming it's a Spiro. If it's not, I'll make sure I'll have it up here, or not in the description. Somewhere it'll definitely note what it is if it's not. But man, this action is phenomenal. Really is. All right, liner lock, nice cutaway. You can see that. Is it? Yeah, it's an inset liner lock. Truly an inset liner lock within the carbon fiber scales. Now, do we have steel scales? Yeah, we do have steel scales on both sides, and they are steel scales. Let me get my magnet here. Yeah, steel liner lock. Yeah, steel liners inside, which is nice. So that, well, I mean, I don't know if it's inset. No, it's a liner lock. This is a full liner, but it's not inset. So, which is still nice. Very, very nice. Held in place. I like the back spacer. I mean, I got to tell you, that cross cut for white twill carbon fiber is really nice too. Kind of unique. It really is unique. I bet this looks really amazing in the sun. Hopefully I can get a little short in the sun with this knife just to see what it looks like with the sunny skies. I think that would be stunning and stellar. All right, very, very cool. Cool little knife. Definitely like the action. Nice, easy, reversible flick, left-handed for sure. The only thing I wish it was a little nicer clip, and I would definitely try to see if I could put a Spyderco clip on there. But you know what? I think I have one of these. Hold on. Here's my Sage 5. Let's see. I just want to line it up. I want to see how close the holes line up. All right, let's see if we can see that. How close do they line up? Are they close? Oh, no, they don't line up at all. These are much, much wider. Much wider. Yeah, that would be my only bummer. That would be the only bummer. I would really like to be able to put a titanium clip in there, and that would bug me. I don't like this clip at all. But everything else about the knife is absolutely stunning and cool. Just kind of one of those bummer things, right? So, anyways. All right, let's do a little zoom in here. We can get a nice little close-up. So here's a blade with that full flat grind, polished, stone-washed blade finish. Got the jimping, very functional up there. The thumb hole, nice, big, generous. It's a flat grind, not full flat grind, stops about right there, but still pretty generous. Not super thick, so it's a nice pokey kind of to get into dog food, cat food, fertilizer, mulch, cases of water. Definitely very usable. You can see the M390 there on that side as well. Pretty consistent on both sides. Let's look at that edge. How's that edge? Sometimes that's, I think this is a factory edge. Definitely used. You can see Mark uses this knife, which, you know, that's what a knife should be, right? Should be used. Pretty even. All right. So nice carbon fiber here. Look at that. Really cool. I like that back here. Back spacer. Nice. Look at that. We got the clip there. It is reversible. T8 hardware. Got 1, 2, 3. 3 different screws there. And here's the liner. You can see that, the liner lock. It is a full liner on the inside. There's little holes inside those steel liners, so definitely give you a little weight relief. What I enjoy especially is when you release it, this catches right here, which is nice so that you don't have a guillotine coming down on your thumb. Then it closes really nicely. And so when you flick it open, pretty nice, like you can see right here. See, definitely good room. I like that a lot. Captive pivot, very stylish, classy little Asher knives, kind of a pivot there. I think that's pretty nice. Love that twill carbon fiber. You can kind of see it in the lights here. It does seem to gleam really well, and it's just really stunning in the sun. That's really cool. That's what I really was more captivated by, was this twill carbon fiber. I want to see more people do that. I don't know why people don't do that. I don't know if there's some reason for it, but I really think it's beautiful. I would love to see more of that, honestly. It is really cool. Look at that action. Just really stunning. All right, let's zoom back in. All right, so let's get we'll get a nice little thumbnail kind of image here. We'll get a little close-up right there. What do you all think about that? I think that's kind of cool. And get a nice little picture of the back over here. And then there you can see the pivot and the screw on the back side right here. Because it is, you know, a T8s, which is nice. I think that's really cool. Again, see the liners, everything in there. Really nice there as well. And then here's that action, which is almost drop shutty, right? So some people like the shake shut, some people like the guillotine, some people like the control drop shut. I like the control drop shut. That's my personal way I tune my knives. Everyone's different. It's your knife. Tune the knife the way you want. This is not my knife. I'm not going to mess with somebody else's knife. They're allowing me to check it out. I'm honored that I get to handle this. It is really, really stunning. And I am very impressed with this white twill carbon fiber. That is just, it's cool. It's cool. It is just really cool. That alone was worth having the chance to check this out. So thank you, Mark. I appreciate you allowing me to check it out. Really cool knife. We'll do a full review on this. I'll have it here at the at the desk, you know, I'll flick it, kind of handle it, see what I think about the knife. This is just an unboxing, first impression. Trying to get my hands on this. I got cut my desk there. Anyways, I think it's cool. My first impression is very, very positive. The only thing I personally don't like is a clip. Some people love wire clips. I'm not a fan of them. Very few wire clips I do like. I would soften the corners. That's my first impression. I will tell you that. But we got to take a look at this a little bit more. Do the full review, kind of get into it. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, maybe hit that subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does really help me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the community. I really appreciate you. Thank you, sincerely. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to all my channel members out there. You know who you are. I appreciate you. Some of you guys have been here since the beginning. Some of you guys joined recently. I appreciate every one of you guys out there. I'm humbled and I'm grateful to every one of you. You guys do two things for me. You encourage me. I work full time. This is a part-time thing for me. And sometimes I feel like 2 full-time jobs besides this. And you guys really do encourage me. You're like my workout buddy. You keep me going. Not that I don't enjoy doing this. Just sometimes, you know, it's a lot. And sometimes you just don't want to do it. But you guys really encourage me to keep going, not to give up. And I thank you for that. The other thing you do is you also allow me, because of your generosity with the memberships, to check things out sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. Like to be able to check somebody's knife like this out and be able to cover the shipping to get this knife back to them. That costs money. It does. It costs money that normally, you know, after a while, it adds up. Like we recently this month, I think I'm going to be spending almost $350 on shipping. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Now, I did have the big 7K giveaway, and we are moving really close to, depending on when you see this video, we're moving really close to 8K already. It's kind of blowing me out of the water here. But thank you guys. So, yeah, you do that. The other thing I want to do two things for you guys. I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. It's usually a nicer knife. It's not a budget banger. I love to do a budget banger giveaway for everybody every week. But for the members, once a month, I like to make sure it's something really special. Okay? So that's the thing I do for the members. I hope you enjoy that. I really go out of my way to try to make sure that's nice. The other thing I do is every new channel member, usually it's just new channel members, but it could be, as long as you're currently a member right now, it could be someone who's a member all along, someone who was a member and became a member again. If you've never asked me for a channel sticker, you've never gotten a channel sticker from me, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. It's my way to say thank you, that I appreciate you. So if that sounds interesting, email me with your name and address if you're a brand new channel member or you're a channel member who's never gotten a channel sticker. As long as you're currently a member right now, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. That's the other thing I like to do. And if any of that sounds interesting to you and you say, hey, yeah, I'd like to do that, check out the link down below in the description. There's a link for my memberships, 3 different tiers I have. Love to have you. Be honored to have you. Don't feel obligated. If you don't want to do it, don't. Okay? But if you want to, I'm completely humbled and grateful and thankful. So just know that means a lot to me. All right. If you haven't already, also maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.